Ubah sniaw bhalang dhar menteri badai pej ya katanat urban affair hakajalla uloong bana kaliang katanat kakwa hi bandon ka Iakren hapadang ki Briew ki basa hathem Iewmawlong lane harijan koloni khnang banla ban Pynkynriah yaki klem kanu ka jing persha habai kran berkilar pathai khubor na kaliang menteri katanat urban affair uloong bana kaliang ka Sorkar ka kloi ban khot Iakren yaki ban sngap lang ya ka jing pen sngo jongki namar ban la hi ban weng ya kanu ka jing kadai tang lengba ka jingwan hakami ka jing Iakren ban pen pau haki surong shushu uloong ru banamar ka jingdon ka dorbar mang tengka hakini kisngi baladem nakaliang ka Sorkar kampat la ban penbej ya ka sngi ban ya kendu bat kini gi Briew hanrei nakaliang ka tanat kan le kat bala ban penbej no Shen ya kani ka benta.
There is process how to do with this, and when all the process is completed, we'll do it accordingly. Simple as that.
Tinggi ini nak kata kejingkwa benwan Iakren baka Sorkar
Yes, we will do that.
Ti lanu tharangin
Because we are having a session this last few weeks, so no time. So now we have that we definitely will do that.
ti lanu tharangin kemit lintir
I
kata
cannot
jingkren.
fix the time, but I'll try to do as possible as I can, at the earliest possible.
Stage. When are they coming for talks?
No, we are yet to fix the date.
So what is the step? They come forward.
Let them come. We'll try to negotiate properly in such a manner so both sides will be happy. That's what I want.
Okay, will there be any?
We'll see based on discussion what they want, what we want, how to, where. That is always.
So otherwise, the other temporary arrangement is that prospective.
No, we will do that because let us sit with them first and we'll hear from them and we'll sit on the table because you see, problem is always to solve on the table, not on the road.
So the staff will be shifted to prospective
Department.